How to buy Avalon Labs token. So this token came under the symbol of USDA. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money, rewards on crypto with the best referral codes. Simply use the codes below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now before going and buy this token, make sure to check the next account and keep following their updates about this token. Go and engage with their community. As you can see, they have 348.5 thousand followers. So this token, as you can see, it's available on CoinMarketCap. Go and find it there to be able to buy this token. Copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token address came under the Ethereum network. Now open your MetaMask for that. So what you need to do, just I will log into my wallet for that. So after that, select the Ethereum as a network from here. After that, what you need to do, click on these three dots, click on import token, click on custom token, paste the token address here. As you can see, this is our token. So click on next, click on import. So after you add your token to your wallet, go and find it here. So it's called USDA. Just so this is, now click on it. After that, click on swap here and make sure to switch it to be on the bottom. From the top, select the token that you want to buy with. For example, I will select the USDT under the Ethereum network. Now make sure you have enough USDT on your wallet. Now with that, type how much you want to buy, and here we'll be able to see how much you receive of that token. So after that, what you need to do, just click on here on swap. So I will just continue swap. So fetching one of 7. I'll just wait a few seconds to complete this. So as you can see, this is our token, but make sure to read all of that information, and if you are ready to go, you have this countdown. So make sure to click on swap before this end. After that, you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy USDA token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.